Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Sourabh with us from Solar. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, can you just let us know about your product offerings this year in REI 2024?
So, first of all, I welcome you on our booth at REI 2024, and it is today is our second day, and we are expecting a good response from previous year. And so far solar inverters is one of the oldest inverter manufacturer we have been in India since 7 to 8 years, 9 years, and we have the product offerings from single phase 1 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt, then the residential 3-phase inverters from 3 kilowatt to 15 kilowatt, then the CNI segment of 25 to 50, and so on up to 125 kilowatt we have in 1000 volts in segment. Coming to with higher efficiency and higher input models, we have the utility range of 255 kilowatt inverter, which is in the 1500 volt segment, and recently we have launched the 350 kilowatt inverter, which is a highest model in our section, and it has got the 350 kilowatt inverter has got the maximum efficiency of 99.05% with IV curve scanning feature with AFCI protection feature. This is the model which we can view over here, which also provide the rapid shutdown device, and the product model which we are offering, it has got the installation base in India of 4.5 gigawatt till date, and which is highest installation base till date for so far solar, and we are offering many other models for other OEM partners also, and that's all. Yeah.
What about the distribution plan for particularly this product?
Yes, we are looking for, we already have many distributors spread all over wide in India, and we are also looking for more distributors to distribute specifically for the new scheme which has our PM sir has recently started, that is PM Surya Ghar scheme, and we are requiring of more distributors for specifically for the northeastern region, and yes. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for being with us.
Thank you very much.